Do your curls feel dry no matter what you use? This product might change everything. I'm trying the whipped blueberry hair butter ForHalle. Just look at those colors, blue and white. The consistency is very thick. Now this one product actually has 3 uses. If you want to revive your curls, just scoop, slather, and chill for 30 minutes. Then rinse like royalty. Like, I love the quirkiness on this tub. You can tell this girl's got style. Number 2, you can also use it as a leave-in. Apply a tiny bit on damp hair and you'll get bouncy, buttery softness. And number 3, you can use it as a hair mask. Butter that hair. Warm in hands, massage from root to tip, leave overnight, rinse when ready to slay. No nasties, just softness. Smells like blueberry dream. It definitely smells like blueberry and it's not overpowering. It's just like a perfect scent. My curls are type 3B, 3C. And I started on freshly washed hair. I didn't have any other product. It's only this one I'm using on damp hair. And my hair starts to dry straight out of the shower, so I re-wet it. And then I'm just brushing the product through because I found it does take a while to absorb. But the minute it has been absorbed into my hair, game God, it is soft. And the definition, the curls are forming, top notch. The texture is so smooth. It's giving whipped frosting, you know, like what you put on a cake. Once I rubbed it on my hands turned blue, but don't worry, it washes away really easily. You just have to wash it under lukewarm water. I'm applying it section by section as usual, starting from the back of my head, working forwards, and I start from the roots, working down to my ends. There's no way my fingers are just gliding. It is a smooth process. You can see my curls are clumping together so well, and it does leave a residue, but once you dry it, I promise it's gone pretty much. Always apply on damp hair for maximum moisture lock-in. I mean, you can use it to soften your curls when detangling is crazy, you know, when the knots are like on another level. But I'm actually styling my hair with this product and it's working very well. These are the ingredients. You can find this product on TikTok called ForHalle as well as Instagram. It's made in the UK and she's just recently dropped this like a few months ago, but it's selling out quickly. You wonder why? I mean, look at this. Compared to no product, my curls are juicy. Okay, it does feel a little greasy, I gotta say, but it's not bad. It's giving moisture without heaviness. Even though it's a thick product and my first impression was that it would weigh my hair down, it's not the case. My curls actually just form after a few seconds. I did have to shake them a bit, but it didn't feel heavy. Big tip. If you just rake it through your hair, it works, but you definitely need to brush. And then you can rake after you've brushed. It's not a problem. But if you don't brush, I feel like the product isn't being absorbed into my hair very well. Onto drying process. I let my hair air dry for about 5-10 minutes and then I diffuse. Always on medium heat, super fast speed, and I diffused for about 40 minutes. How are my curls so defined and shiny? Wow, this product is phenomenal. Once my hair was dry, it felt soft with no crunch. It felt more like there was product in my hair. Overly greasy is a little, but that is where the moisture is coming from. I did use way too much. This product is so good, but I'm heavy-handed, so we know this. If you've watched any of my videos, you know how heavy-handed I am. It's a problem. My curls felt so hydrated. If you have a child that struggles with you doing their hair, add this to your routine and you can thank me later. Your child will not be crying while brushing, detangling, or styling. I'm moving on to the pros and cons. Let's start with the pros. It's lightweight, but super moisturizing. There's shine. It smells amazing. Perfect for wash and goes, twist outs, hairstyles, braids, detangling. The list is pretty much endless. My curls are soft, they're defined, and this product has natural ingredients. You're not putting junk in your hair. Okay, we got some cons. It is very messy. Like my hands and fingers were coated in this blue white stuff. But I mean, you get this with any product. It's just because of the color. I guess we can see it so much. If I was using a gel, my fingers would be coated just as much. It just wouldn't look like this. But the minute I washed my hands, it was gone. If you use too much, you can feel like, oh, I've used too much product. If you squeeze your hair, it comes out easily. It's not like a gel that like once you've put it on, you can't remove it. You can remove it and you have excess on your fingers. And okay, it's not super cheap, but it is worth the price. With these natural ingredients, I mean, this is kind of what I expect. If your hair tends to get dry or frizzy and you're transitioning back to normal, this could be the perfect solution for you. But if you already have a super fine texture, just use a little bit at a time. Don't overuse it. And I definitely use this again, especially right now. I've been using lice treatments on my hair for weeks and my hair really needs some nourishment. And this product is doing it for me. So what are you waiting for? Go and find her now. Overall, this definitely passed the vibe check. My curls look and feel healthy. Are you ready to try this product or what? Drop your experience in the comments once you've tried it. I want to know if it worked for your curls too, or waves, or straight hair. Thanks so much for watching Curls by Sharlene. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, what are you waiting for? And why not hit the bell button so you're notified every time I post a new video. Thanks for watching Curls by Sharlene, and I'll see you next time. Peace out.